Hey everyone, I'm Faraz, founder of WhatsAppKaro. Welcome back to my channel, WhatsAppKaro. So in this video, guys, as you guys know, in the previous videos, we spoke about many features, whether it might be broadcasting, subscriber management, how to import contacts, and lot. So in this video, we'll talk about how to add your team members in WhatsAppKaro. Let's assume, guys, you own a brand where you have 10 employees and you want to put two people in customer support and two people in pre-sale support. Let's say just assume this. Anyhow, our AI chatbot is gonna handle everything completely. But if you want to add your team members, so how you are gonna do this? It's pretty simple. Actually, even the video is not needed, but for your information, I'm going to create the video. So you just need to come to the control panel. Then first you need to go to the user permission. Then click on create and new team role because this is an admin access. So you are going to see this new subscription package, which ignore it. Uh, just go to new team role and let's say employee. Okay. And if you want, you can disable the channels. If I don't want him to see the Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, I can disable. As of now, I will keep enabled and connect account. Let's say I want him to see the subscribers. I can do that. Whatever you want, guys, you can disable or enable, which means that whether he can see that, whether the features will be accessible to him or not. Live chat. Okay, I want him live chat. As of now, I am clicking everything. Yeah, live chat number must. What does it means that I want this particular person to not to see my customer's number. So I will click on this, which will hide my customer's numbers completely, guys. 100% he will not be able to see my number. In most use cases, you guys don't want your customers' numbers to get leaked by your employees, then you can use this feature. Okay, as of now, I'm going to enable everything, but you guys, you can decide whatever you want to give him the access and what you don't want to, what you want to restrict. As of now, I'm going to give him everything. Okay, and then I will create it. So once it's done, I will go to user manager, guys, and I will create a new team member. Let's say this team member is Sadan. Okay. And I'm going to choose number, email. Let me choose this email as of now. We'll keep this email, password. Let's keep this. Uh, we'll keep this as password. And team role will be employee. Okay. Allowed Telegram bots. See, guys, if I would have connected my Telegram, then I would be getting here to connect the Telegram and Meta. As of now, I have connected only WhatsApp, so I can give only this access. Okay. Allow only assign chat. What does it mean? That means whatever the chat you want to assign, only that chat your team member would be accessible. So as of now, I'm going to disable. Okay. And I'm going to create because I want him to see. Okay, this email has been already taken. Okay, guys, let me see. Hmm. Okay, it's asking me for the password. Oh, I forgot to. Okay, then update. Okay, now It's done. Simply I added my team member. Guys, we don't charge you separately for the team members. Basically, you can add as many as team members. We don't overcharge you in the name of adding team members or users. So guys, this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. See you in the next video where I'm going to show you the inbox, the unibox. So stay tuned.